Hello brothers and sisters, this is Pastor Pius from Kenya, a village known as Moroni in Kisumu. Today we are visiting Conslata. She is a widow, 61 years old. This is where she lives, and we are appealing for everyone who is willing to help her get a new house as soon as possible, because this one is almost falling down in the next few days. Now I will bring you inside to the house so you can see how it looks like. Hey. This is a bedroom. That's how the roof looks like. This is the area where she sleeps on the small mat in the night. That is a cooking area. The 3 stones, those are cooking utensils. You can see how it looks like. If it's raining, it will fall on her. I'll bring you to see the outer side of the house. She's preparing her corn, like a meal. So this is how the outer side looks like, and we would like to make a new house as soon as possible. So kindly send in your help. Thank you very much. Pius from Kenya. Bye bye.